Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe and this is the 25th episode of my e-commerce web application project. In the previous video, we have discussed about the designing part of watchlist page, responsive watchlist page. In this video, we will be discussing about the programming part or else the backend part of our watchlist page. So let's go to our web browser, and currently we are in our home page. And another thing is you can see our watchlist buttons have a black color heart icon, all of them. That means we haven't added any of the products to our watch list page. I will add this product to my watch list and as well as this one. So as you have witnessed, our color of our watch list button changed. The icon color changed to red color. That means we have added our product to our watchlist page successfully. Let's go to our watchlist page now. And as you can see, we have added our products. These are the two products that I have added now. And so let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Thereby we can get a better idea about these processes in terms of coding. So here we are in the home page, and this is a card, and in that card this is the watchlist button. If the firstly we check whether there's a user, then we execute this search query. In that search query we get the required data of the watchlist table, and as our condition we have used the specific user's email and the ID of that specific product, and we have calculated the number of rows of our result. And if the number of rows is equal to 1, these set of lines get executed. That means the color of the heart changes to red color, like this. And if it's not equal to 1, these set of lines get executed, which means the color of the heart is black color. This bootstrap class means that it's black color. The text is in black color. That's why rest of them are black color, since they haven't added to the watchlist page. In both of the incidents, we start this function and we send the specific ID to the JavaScript as our parameter. Let's go to our JavaScript file, and here is our function, the watchlist. Here is our parameter, the ID of that specific product, and you can see that I have sent the ID of that product using an AJAX request in get method. That's why we have binded our ID to the URL. Let's go to our add to watchlist process.php file. So in here, once again, we have started our session and we have imported our connection, and then we have checked whether there's a user. From there we have checked whether, and then we checked whether we have received the ID, this ID, and then those are assigned to these variables respectively, and then we search the watchlist, data of the watchlist using these conditions once again, and we check the number of rows. If it's equal to 1, we select that row. The index of this array is assigned to $list ID. If it's equal to 1, That means we have added our product to the watchlist page already, so we remove it. If it's not equal to 1, that means we haven't added it, so we add it using an insert query. You can see if we receive the response as added, we assign the text color as text danger, or else if we receive removed as the response, we replace the text color with text dark. Now let's go to our watchlist.php file, and here we have checked whether there's a user, and then we have searched the required data, and we have used the specific user's email as our condition. Then we have checked the number of rows and have assigned it to watchlist num. Watchlist num is 0. That means we haven't added any products. Then we get to see this, which you saw in the previous video. We were able to see this today. This means that we have added a product, and using that variable, we fetch as a row. From that variable, we get the ID, and we assign that ID to $list ID. Using this display the image of that specific product and other data of that product as well, the title, the color of the product, the name, the condition of the product, the price of the product, the quantity available, and the seller's first name and the last name. And in case the user hasn't logged into his or her account, we get redirected to the home page. And that will be the end of the 25th episode of my e-commerce web application project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you.